guys, I want to tell you about a couple changes that I'm gonna do with the cage build that I'm building for the Baja behind me. The first one is that this cage is no longer gonna be built for this Baja. The OBR engine that runs in this Baja is beautifully healthy engine, and I don't want to put too much unnecessary weight on it because it's good how it is right now. So I decided that this cage is gonna go on this Baja that I don't really like the cage on it because it's messing up all the good looks. So I'm gonna get rid of this cage and I'm gonna finish this cage for this Baja that sounds like this. And it runs like this. So 50 GT RC Max engine, WJ carburetor, all the power I need to pull this cage with this RC. Because this Baja and this Baja are not so much different to each other because both of them are Baja 5B, I don't need to do too many updates on this cage. I have no idea, should I leave those braces, side braces, and take off those sides skirts from 5T, or should I moderate the sides that it will fit beautifully over here so I can put the pins into it and lock on place. If you have any ideas, just let me know in the comment down below. The same for the rear of the cage. I have to moderate differently over here. I want the cage to rest on those two pins over here, remove them of course, and create my own that they will go inside and just lock them with the pin. And should I leave this wheelie bar or change it for bebop? And again, if you have any ideas, just let me know. I did rest the cage on a Baja just to show you more or less how it's gonna look, and the cage is gonna be sitting a little bit lower, so it's gonna have nice and slick look. The rear of the cage have to be modified to rest on those two pins over here, and the sides, should I leave those two braces, this one and this, so it can rest on the side and the front will go just underneath, or should I just cut those, moderate those ones, those two, and just make this side skirt go into it here, so I can just put the pin through the cage, through the skirt, and just lock it on place. If you have any ideas, suggestions, just comment down below. So thank you guys for watching and see you soon. Cheers!